So it measures 17 by 12 inches. That's 17 inches by 12 inches. This is it. I went ahead to fold it like so. And marked 1 inch like so. 1 inch. And then connected it straight down like you're seeing. I went ahead to, after connecting, I went ahead to cut it out. This is it. I use my French curve to curve the bottom and the top of the bag. But if you don't have something like this, if you don't have a French curve, no problem. You can use anything with a circular shape to do this. And then I went ahead to cut it out like so. And I use it to cut this. Use it to cut this. I want Yes, I use it to cut. I went up by 6 inches and then wrote a straight line and then cut out. This is to create a chance for that zip at the front. So I had to set that aside. And for this, I measured it round. I got about 50.5. I used it to cut this other three material. This is a zip. The zip measures 2.5 by 23. This is the side. The side 6 inches, 5 inches, and 9 inches. That's the measurement. This is the base. 12 inches by 6 inches is the measurement. I went ahead to cut the lining for everything, and now I went ahead to do the zip for the front. This is it. So you take this and fold like so, and then you collect the zip cloth and place it like this, and then you also place the lining like so, and go ahead to sew. Go to the sewing machine and sew, and this is the outcome after sewing. That's the back. So flip to the other side and return like this. And at this time we'll be placing the other parts of the material. This is it. Place like this and sew too. After sewing, this is what it looks like. Look at the back. This is what it looks like. I went ahead to cut out the excess zip. We don't need it. And put my zip head. This is it. Sew and trim out the excess. This is how it looks like now. So at this point, you make sure that both the front and the back of the bag are equal. If they are not, you need to trim out at this point. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm trimming out. The excess came as a result of this zip at the front I added. So I went ahead to trim out just small. Add the lining at this point. Add the lining. I'll put the cord and still put the handle for the back of the bag. This is it. That's the handle for the back. and the cord. Please, if you don't know how to do this, I'll put a video in the description box for you to learn. And straight ahead to the sides and the zip. So start with the zip area. I inserted the zip like this, and I'm going to sew and do that for the other side and then show you what it looks like. Look at it. I'll sew it and do that for the other side too. So show you, this is what it looks like after everything. If you don't know how to do this, I'll still put a video in the description box that will show you how to. So I went ahead and take the base and positioned the lining like so, and then this is the side. I also position the lining like this. So this thing we are doing, we'll be doing it for the other side. So okay, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I went ahead to top stitch. This is it. This is it. At this point, I'll be adding the zipper part to this other part. So that's it. This is how you position it. Position it like this, and then flip this lining like so. And then so I'll be doing that for the two sides. I'll be doing it for the two sides. So this is what we have after sewing the two sides. This is it. I went ahead to sew the lining together with the material and then trimmed out. This is the outcome, the total outcome. So this is the already made body of the bag. I went ahead to notch. I also notch this other part, this part, notch. And then with the help of my peg, I pinned it and positioned it to the point I want it to be. I held it like so, and then I'll go ahead after holding it to sew it round. The peg is just to help me put everything in place and to make sure the zipper and everything is centralized. I'll still do that like this, but let me sew first. So this is it after sewing. So I'll do same for the other part of the bag. Please, if you have been watching this video, thank you. If you have watched to this point, thank you. If you are a new viewer, thank you. This is it. I'll use my bias tape to tape it round to conceal that rough edge. Please, if you are a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to do that. Don't forget to like this video if you really love it. Don't forget to share to others. Don't forget, please, I'd like you to give us a thumbs up for this video. This is the outcome after everything. I actually added something inside this bag so that you see how it looks like so much, as in very well. This is it. This is it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.